Assalamu alaikum students. I am Mr. Nafis and in this video we are going to discuss about narration. Telling a story or recounting a series of events is known as narration. So in simple words we can say that narration is when you tell a story to someone in a sequential manner. In narration we cover the following questions. What happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Now the question arises, what we narrate? We usually narrate our past experiences and some events that has already taken place. Now, some basics of narration. First one, it reveals something of importance to the speaker or the writer. So we can say that we narrate something what we feel is important to tell others. Second, it includes all the major events of the story. When you narrate, your story includes all the major events, and these major events are known as primary information or primary support of the narration. Third, it brings the story to the life with detail about major events. So, to make the story more interesting and lively, a speaker or the narrator adds supporting details that is known as secondary support. Fourth, it presents the event in a clear order, usually according to when they happened. Narration allows a particular sequence or order in which things have taken place. Now, the types of narration. There are three types of narration. First person narration, second person narration, and third person narration. First person narration, when a person himself or herself narrate the story and use personal pronouns like I, we, me, mine. Second person narration, when one narrates other person's experience but he himself a part of that narration or experience. Here the second person pronouns like you and your are used. Third person narration, when the story is narrating by a spectator who is not a part of the story. Here, in this kind of narration, third person pronouns are used. He, she, they, them, etc. A few points to keep in mind while narrating any event or past experience. Always use past tenses. Follow chronological order. Use signal words or linkers. Use correct preposition of time. When we narrate a past experience or any event, we always use past tenses. When we tell the action take place in past, we use simple past tense. For example, he wrote a letter. When we tell the action is taking place in the past, then we use the past continuous tense. He was writing a letter. When we tell the action taking place in the past, we use past perfect tense. He had written a letter. Lastly, when we tell the action is taking place in the past with reference of point of time, then we use the past perfect continuous tense. He had been writing a letter since morning. Chronological order. The narration should be done in a chronological order, like first thing come first. So, when we narrate a story, we should have a proper beginning. And for that, we use phrases like once upon a time, that reminds me of. Then comes the conflict or the major action of the story on which the plot or the story revolves around. To show the emergence of the conflict, we use the words like suddenly, unexpectedly, to my surprise. Finally, the ending. It tells us the final situation after resolving the conflict. And we use phrases like in the end, finally, eventually, etc. Signal words. The words like first, second, finally are known as signal words. They show the time, relationship, and make the transition smooth. These words are easily identified and act as a linkers and fillers. Words like before, then, next, after that are the signal words, help in arranging our thoughts in a sequential manner. Proposition of time. Some proposition of time shows time order and help in narrating the event or experience easily. We use in with month and season. For example, in March, in October, in rainy season. We use on with day, dates and occasion. For example, on Saturday, on 3rd of May, on the New Year's Day. We use at to show the point of time, place, festival, like at the end of the year, at Delhi, at 5 o'clock, or at the beginning of the class. From shows the period, like from Monday to Friday, from 2002 to 2004, from 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Now, I would like to conclude this video. Narration is telling of story about the past event or experience of someone. It can be narrated by first person, second person, and third person. The narrator narrates the story in a past tense by following a chronological order or a sequence. Thank you.